Get noticed in this 2005 Nissan Maxima. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, you will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.